Finally, the Goat allocation has been done and concluded. So you can log in into your account and check how much of Goat you were actually given. You can see from here, this is my Goat allocation. I happens to rank first. I completed virtually all the Goat steps except the S part. Then I ranked first. Then my point was 60 something. And I actually spent the Goat on the turn cycle, I did it 4 times. That's like 7.8 tons in 4 places, then extra. I didn't complete it once, so I did it 4 times. So and this is what I was actually allocated. Then more importantly, you can see different options here. You can decide to stake, but I'm not advising anyone to actually do that because before they release your fund, the coin will have depreciated. So I will not encourage anyone to do that. Now for the withdrawal, withdrawal will start today. He said withdraw withdraw your goods to any of the 7 supported exchanges. So the one I'm sure of currently Bybit, BitGet, and Gate.io. So still remaining like 4 more exchanges. I believe as they let us know, we're going to update you in our Telegram channel and possibly on YouTube. So check the link in the description of this video and make sure you find yourself in our Telegram channel. You will love it. So then there's something I need to actually explain to you so that you actually get it on understand it. Because if you look at the allocation here compared to the pre-market price, so let's check the pre-market price. So if you look at the pre-market price here, you discover that even if I multiply it, this price is nothing to write home about. So let's look at the statement by Goat so that we'll be able to have a better understanding of what is actually going on. Now, this is the statement by Goat. According to them, they said, after careful observing the market sentiment, and if you put major as a case study, you discover that they're actually doing the part um doing the part of uh, of major. He said, we think it is necessary to reduce the total supply of goats. Therefore, a convert ratio of 1,000 to 1 will be applied for all users to ensure fair foundation of goods. And then you also said, keep in mind that our total supply is 20 billion. So, in my opinion, if I understand this statement carefully, I believe in their total supply, they're going to reduce this and this. Probably the final total supply will be around 200 million. Because if the conversion ratio is ratio 100 and 1,000 to 1, I think there are 3 zeros, if I'm not mistaken. So for those of you who are good in mathematics, you can correct me in the comment section if I'm wrong. So, which will eventually affect the listing price. If you observe major carefully, that was the same thing major did. But if you are considering the current market price, everything we got is dust. But they said pre-market price is not the listing price. So you should expect something higher and better than the listing price. So drop in the comment section your votes allocation and what you feel about the current allocation that was given to you. And you can see this is the bonus index that we used to give bonus to everyone that participated in GOAT. So make sure you find yourself in my Telegram channel. I believe you will love it. Link in the description of this